I think the question then revolves around if they were in these forms declared as PTI candidates. Subsequently, on account of the loss of the symbol, they could not contest the election as PTI candidates because they could not show themselves as PTI candidates through the symbol, election symbol. So then on what basis did the Election Commission allocate them separate symbols, giving them the opportunity to contest the election as independents?
Yes.
Because the Election Commission did give them symbols and said, go ahead and contest them.
Yes.
So they recognized them as independent candidates and said, here are your independent symbols. Please go and, so is there a form for that?
Yes.
Because at the end of the day, what matters is the manner in which all this proceeded. And since the Election Commission has not disputed this position and has allowed them to contest the election as independents, then they, remaining within the framework of the Constitution, joined a political party as independents.
Yes. Not only did the Election Commission allow them, but I would show from the order of the Election Commission, your ladyship, actually forced them to run as independents.
The question which my lord...
Compelling circumstances are relevant here.
The question which my lord...
The point is, the reason for that, why that happened, it seems to me, is that there was an intervening event.
Yes.
And that event was that the denial to the political party of the election symbol, which was upheld finally by the Supreme Court and affirmed. The Election Commission could not deny that they were members of a political party because of this form.
Yes.
But they couldn't allocate an election symbol to them because of the judgment.
Yes.
The only possible course then was to allocate a symbol which was not given to any other political party.
Yes.
And that's all that happened.
It denied them both.
This answer is...
Question to you is, does that change their status and make them independent?
Let me first show to your lordship what happened and then I'll answer the question. पहले मैं दिखा दूं कि क्या हुआ actually.
Law पे जरा चलें. 67(2) अगर पढ़ेंगे, 67(2) पढ़ लें जरा.
सर अगर आप देख लेते हुआ क्या है तो
एक मिनट के होना ही कुछ बाद में देखें. जैसे माय लॉर्ड जस्टिस मुनीर साहब ने कहा कि इलेक्शन कमीशन के पास क्या ये इख्तियार था कि जो दो फरीक राजी होते हैं कि मैं आपका कैंडिडेट, वो कहते ठीक आप मेरा कैंडिडेट, तो क्या इलेक्शन कमीशन उसको
ये हुआ नहीं. मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ क्या
जरा 2 पढ़ लें.
जी 67(2)
जी
सिंबल का मामला है
जी. इन रिकॉर्डिंग द वोट
कैंडिडेट
67(2)
section okay. A candidate nominated by a political party at an election in any constituency shall be allotted the symbol allocated by the Commission to the political party under the provisions of Chapter 12 and no other symbol.
Prescribed का जिक्र है इसमें.
जी.
Prescribed.
But the Election Commission itself withdrew that symbol.
67
and gave them independent candidate symbols. So what is the debate here?
What the Act assumes is that at all times a person, a candidate nominated by a political party shall contest the election under that election symbol. And that's all that it's trying to do and control. But if for whatever reason the Election Commission withdraws that symbol, that is contested, attains finality, can the Election Commission then turn around and say, you can't contest the election, you are not a member of that political party? It can't, it seems to me, say that, because Form A of the parent statute says he is. Therefore, the only option left was the practical solution created by the Election Commission, of a problem created by the Election Commission itself, was to give him a symbol of other than his own political party, which he couldn't,
which is mentioned in
any other political party which he couldn't get. And there were any other symbols.
It's not what the Election Commission did.
इसमें एक और बात भी है.
One section 1 में
सर अगर वो आप ऑर्डर नहीं देखेंगे ये चीज समझ में नहीं आएगी.
साहब आपकी क्या पोजीशन है? What is your legal position here?
आप
You
जरा इसका
contest the election independently or you were the candidate of PTI?
सर मैं आपको एक ऑर्डर
देखे ना, इसका बड़ा इम्पैक्ट है।
आपको मेरी
इसका
पोजीशन
impact है,
समझ में
because-
नहीं आएगी जब तक आप इलेक्शन कमीशन का
ये
ऑर्डर
आपसे पूछ रहे हैं आपकी
बेंच की
पोजीशन
तरफ
क्या
से
है,
हो रहे
समझना
हैं।
इसमें क्या है, ये सवाल है ना।
आप अपना तो बताइए ना पहले,
Sir,
what is your
ये-
legal position?
Page 21 of the additional document, there is an order of the election commission. सर मैं बता रहा हूँ
We understand, देखें क्वेश्चन में आप चले गए, रिवर्ट हो गए हम दूसरी तरफ।
नहीं, ये
बात
नहीं
सुने
हुआ,
ना,
नहीं
अभी
हुआ।
आप यहाँ पे सिंधी इत्तेहाद उसकी तरफ, सुन्नी इत्तेहाद की तरफ से है ना, पहले सुन लीजिए, have
जी,
some
जी,
patience।
जी।
अगर हम उस तरफ चले जाते हैं, जैसे कि some my lords have asked a question कि there is only a question of symbol, if there was no symbol, even then you attach the certificate with your nomination paper that you are contesting the election from a political party, ठीक है। अब आप बाद
That
में
was rejected.
रिजेक्टेड, तो फिर इस वक्त आपका स्टेटस जो है, you have to inform us
That was
first
rejected. That is why status was independent.
Yes, तो इंडिपेंडेंट आप इस वक्त इंडिपेंडेंट हैं।
Yes.
नहीं नहीं, ऐसे ऑटोमेटिकली नहीं बनेंगे।
Sir, page
अच्छा,
21
एक सवाल मैं आपसे और पूछ लेता हूँ। सियासी पार्टी को सिंबल नहीं मिला बिकॉज इलेक्शन नहीं हुई,
जी।
ठीक है। जो उनके लोग थे जो अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, उन्होंने अप्लाई किया क्योंकि अब वो डोमेन में नहीं है, किसी की डोमेन नहीं में। ये जो आप कह रहे हैं इंडिपेंडेंट कह लें, पीटीआई कह लें, जो भी आप इनको कह लें, शख्सियात जो हैं।
सुप्रीम कोर्ट में सुन्नी इत्तेहाद की मखसूस नशिस्तों से मुतालिक केस की समाअत बराह रास्त जारी है। आपको बताएं कि चीफ जस्टिस की सरबराही में फुल कोर्ट समाअत करा है। सुन्नी इत्तेहाद काउंसिल के वकील एडवोकेट फैसल सिद्दीकी दलाइल दे रहे थे।